Embracing the light of Prophet Muhammad a reflection on Eid Milad an-Nabi. Dear brothers and sisters, as we gather to celebrate Eid Milad an-Nabi, the birth of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we are reminded of the profound impact his life and teachings have had on humanity. This auspicious occasion is not just a celebration of his birth, but a reflection on the timeless guidance he offered and the enduring legacy he left behind. Prophet Muhammad came as a beacon of light in a world shrouded in ignorance and darkness. His life exemplified mercy, justice, and compassion, setting a standard for how we should live and interact with one another. His teachings emphasize the importance of kindness, integrity, and the pursuit of knowledge. In celebrating Eid Milad an-Nabi, let us take this opportunity to renew our commitment to following his example. Let us embody the principles he taught, to love and respect one another, to act with sincerity and humility, and to strive for justice and equality in all aspects of our lives. May this day inspire us to deepen our understanding of his message, and to live in a way that reflects his noble character. As we celebrate, let us also remember those who are less fortunate and work towards creating a more compassionate and just world. In conclusion, Eid Milad an-Nabi is a reminder of the light that Prophet Muhammad brought into our lives. Let us honor his memory by striving to be better individuals and by contributing positively to our communities. Jazakum Allahu khairan.